Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful and amazing language in a fun and a very simple way. Friend, this is morning and you can see behind me this beautiful village background. Yes, I live in village and here in the morning, I spend my time in the beauty of nature and I explore the natural beauty every single day before, sorry, because I go from this way. That is why I see many beautiful things, many beautiful plants, herbs, etc. And when I see, I feel positive vibes, and especially in the morning the cold wind is blowing and it touches my heart, my body. I feel more and more relaxed. I am feeling i am feeling so much happy. I can say I am on cloud 9. Yes, friends, when I record my video, there are many people who are watching me, but doesn't matter, doesn't matter, because I am doing my work, I am practicing English, and I can improve myself by doing this method. I know there is no anyone to improve myself. I am only single person who can doing this to improve myself. There is no anyone like family, friends, or any other one. I am only. So I spend most of the time by doing practice. Okay. I know it has been a long time to practice English, but there is no any improvement about me. I know, I know reason before it why I am not fluent in English due to lack of practice. I don't practice every day. Sometimes I practice, sometimes I don't practice. That is the main reason I am not fluent in this language. I speak very simple English. It is right, it is absolutely right, but I can say there is so many things on my plate because I am a student, I am an aspirant. Sometimes I go to my college, otherwise, I go to every single day in the library. You know, it is around 7:30, and right now I am on the way and I am going to my library where I study. I am preparing for one day competitive exam. I don't know. I don't know when I will get my job, my dream job. I don't have any idea, but I believe in myself. I can do it. I can give my 100%. When I give my 100%, I can get I can get what I want. I believe in myself. And one thing more, guys, I believe that if I practice every single day, I can get fluency. I can speak more and more better before it. Earlier, I was not a speaker. Earlier, I was not a speaker near. Earlier I was not speaking anything, any single word. I know grammatical rules. Even I know most of the grammatical rules, but I can't speak very well. But every time I try to speak English, and my English is not good. But every time I try, especially I can say my pronunciation is not good, and I am working on it. And I have started, I have started listening English podcast, English video to improve my English, to improve my communication skills. Friends, I today I am going to the library early, and I have some free times on the way. That is why I am recording this video. I want to become fluent in this language. I uh, I want to prove that I am good. I am the best, and I want to become better, most better version in my life. I know this sentence is wrong. I know, but I speak wrong English. I believe, but I believe one day I will speak very good English. I speak fluent English. I believe in myself. And earlier I said that there was no anyone who can teach, who can improve yourself. There is only you can improve yourself, and you can prove that you are good, you are capable, you can do anything what you want. You can deserve all the things on the earth. You have a capacity. So friends, don't compare anyone, because you are unique, you are special. When I feel lazy, or when I feel get confused, I realized, no, I am good, I am a best, I am the best girl in the world. I know when you heard this sentence, you are saying you are the best girl in the world. Yes, I am the best girl in the world by my side, by myself, by my opinion, not any other's opinion. I Everyone has unique special features. Everyone has a very unique special feature. God has gifted everyone different type of skills, and everyone has different goals, different aims. Everyone has a different skills God has given, and it is God gifted gift. You have seen many people who has different skills, and you have seen unique person like a singer, writer, English speaker, and they they have God gifted gift. They have God gifted gift, but there are many people who are struggling, and they are proving that they are good. They try to become more and more good. Okay, and I am the one. Okay, I am the one. God god has not give me a very unique special feature, but I gratitude the God, because God has given me this body. So Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.